Hello friends, welcome to CA Cafe. Are you still waiting for income tax refund despite filing your income tax return within the specified timeline? Let's discuss in this video what are the reasons for possible delay and how to check the status of your tax refund. Income tax department till 11th July, they have refunded around 24,603 crores of rupees to 19.79 lakhs taxpayers and 46,626 crores of rupees to 1.45 lakhs corporate taxpayers. But still we haven't, or couple of taxpayers haven't received tax refunds. What are the reasons for delay? Normally, refunds are processed within 20 to 45 days from the completion of processing of ITR by the Centralized Processing Centre. But there could be a couple of reasons for delay in receiving tax refund, including inaccurate information uploads, incomplete filing, wrong bank transactions, among others. Some of the possible reasons for not getting income tax refund and how to handle it, let's discuss. Number 1. Incorrect bank account details. There are chances that taxpayer did not give correct bank account number or other bank details while filing the income tax return. If the bank account is closed subsequently, taxpayer is required to update the bank account by logging at income tax portal. Number 2. Need for additional documentation. One of the common reasons for not getting refunds is the need for additional documentation. This may be required to support the claim or pending past demands or maybe for operational issues. Number 3. Inadequate or fabricated information. There are chances that a taxpayer have coded inadequate or fabricated information to avail benefit. In order to rectify the same, the taxpayers are required to provide complete and appropriate information which could reduce the chances of rejection or delay in the refund procedure. Number 4. Mismatch in the TDS or TCS claimed. The mismatch in TDS claimed in 26AS could be due to wrong filing of TDS return by the employer or TDS deductor, example bank, and taxpayer may need to approach them to correct their TDS return. However, there are instances where even the records of the income tax department do not reflect the correct TDS. In such cases, taxpayer is required to file an online response by logging into income tax portal. Number 5. Refund request under process. The delay could be at 2 levels. Number 1. The IT department is taking time to process the request. Number 2. The IT department has already processed, but there is a delay at your bank end. Now let's discuss how to handle the delay. If for some reason a taxpayer did not receive a refund amount, ideally they should raise a service request on the income tax e-filing portal. Always keep a check if there is any communication from the IT department on the registered email ID or e-filing account regarding the reason for not getting the refund. If there is no status update for more than 2 months, the taxpayer can submit their grievance through e-Nirvan from under their e-filing account. They could seek a resolution from CPR ITR under the processing in the grievance category. How to check tax refund status? Once you ensure that you haven't made any mistake, check the status of your tax refund to estimate when you would get it. There are 2 ways of checking the status of your refund. You can check it on the Income Tax Department's e-filing portal or National Securities Depository Limited NSDL website. The Refund Banker Scheme facilitates transmission of refunds generated on processing of income tax return by CPC Bangalore or AO to State Bank of India, CMP branch for further distribution to taxpayers. Refunds are being sent in two modes. Number one, RTGS, to enable credit of refund directly to the bank account, taxpayer's bank account, MICR code or IFSC code of the bank branch, and correct communication address is very important. To get a paper check, bank account number and correct address is also very important. Taxpayers can view status of refund 10 days after their refund has been sent by the assessing officer to the refund banker. Let's discuss what are the steps on e-filing portal to check your refund status. Number one, you can log into your account on the e-filing portal using your permanent account number PAN as your user ID and password under the registered user section. Number two, once you are logged in, go to the View e-file returns or forms section. Number three, select income tax returns and the relevant assessment year. Number four, a new page, My Return, will open and will show the status of your file return such as ITR filed, verified, ITR processing, issue of a refund or status of refund. Number 5, under the status menu, you can check the mode of payment, refund amount, date of clearance, and so on. Let's discuss what are the steps on NSDL's website. Number 1, you can check the refund status on NSDL's website. Number 2, enter your PAN number and select the relevant assessment year to get the relevant details. Refund paid status is also being reflected in the tax credit statements in Form 26AS in your e-filing portal. Dear friends, hope this video helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Request all of you to subscribe to this channel to get more and more updated videos on various topics. See you soon. Take care.